Cloning a project in Git is very straightforward, and you're going to have to do this every time you work on a project that's not on your local machine yet. Okay, so if it's still on Git, you need to clone that project so that you can work with it locally on your machine. Okay, and here I'm inside a GitHub repository. It is the Sunflower Android app, one of the most famous Android apps at the moment, and it is provided by Android themselves. Okay, so here for this Sunflower app, if I want to work on this app on my local machine, I have to clone it. And to obtain a clone of this app for my local machine, here you can see you have a green button. Click on that green button, and here you're presented with several options. Okay, you have the option to use the GitHub CLI itself. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure that it's pretty fast considering it's a CLI made for GitHub. Another option is to use SSH. Okay, and to use SSH to clone this repository, you need to create an SSH key for your GitHub account. Okay, so if you click on Add a new public key, here you're directed to this page to create a new SSH key with a title and the key itself. When working with enterprise level applications, you will use SSH keys more often. Okay, they're more secure and they're pretty fast. And as for the third option, you have HTTPS. Okay, this is the most straightforward option. All you need to do is to copy this URL and you can paste it into your Android Studio, okay, or your GitHub Bash, and we're going to see how that works. Okay, so with SSH, after you configure your SSH key, you can just copy this URL and paste it where we're going to work right now. Okay, but we're going to do that with the HTTPS. So after you clone that URL, head over to your Android Studio IDE, go to File, New, Project from Version Control. Click on that and paste the URL. Okay, that's all you need. This is the directory where the project will be created. And after you click on clone, that repository will be cloned just like that into your working directory. Okay, cloning a project is really that straightforward, and that's all you need to know about HTTPS at least. Okay, so that's very easy to do within Android Studio, and it's one of the options that you can use to clone a project. And that took a lot of time. Okay, after that you can click on this window or new window if you want to open it in a separate window for your Android IDE. And after that, directly, there you have your new project. Okay, the Gradle is trying to build your project, and after it's done, you will have full access to the files of this project. Okay, and that's how you clone a project using HTTPS. You can also clone a project using the Git Bash. Okay, by default, when you download Git, you get the Git Bash tool as well. Okay, so open your Git Bash tool right there. You can expand your window. I'm going to navigate to my test folder. And after that, I'm just going to paste. I don't think that's right. Let's just write git clone. After that, go back to the repository, copy that, and paste it inside our git bash. Okay. After that, click on enter. And there, as you can see, you're cloning into the Sunflower project. And after that, just like what happened with our Android project, which didn't compile due to a conflict with the JDK, That can be easily solved by changing your JDK version. Okay, but with respect to Git Bash, that's about it. Okay, it's really that straightforward, and that's how you clone a project using HTTPS with both the Android Studio IDE and the Git Bash as well. If you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.